So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to enable push notifications here on the Questrade application. So once Questrade's opened up, go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this screen, just go to the top middle where it says settings and press on the gear icon. Then once you're here where it says notifications, press on the push notifications option. Now once you're on this screen, it'll actually go ahead and show you what you want to turn on or turn off. So you can actually manage notifications that are sent towards your device. So you have orders right here or dividends. So for example, if I were to turn dividends off, it's now off. If I were to turn it back on, it'll be green. That indicates that push notifications for either dividends or orders will be selected through your account. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to enable push notifications on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.